Welcome, today I am with Pokemon Unite and I will show you how you can add someone to the friend list. So at the first, to make it, you have to get your friend ID. So how to find the friend ID? You have to tap on the left upper corner, then you will find ID of your profile right here. So your friend must give you this ID number. You can copy that number right here by tapping on this icon. And then when you want to add friend, you have to go here for the friends, then go for the friend search, click on the search pool, input this friend ID, so you can paste or input manually, then click OK and tap search. And as you can see, I find myself, and you have to tap on this icon. But in this case, it's not working because I cannot add myself to my friend list. So that's very obvious, right? So yeah, basically that's how you can add someone to the friend list in Pokemon Unite. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.